Hello everyone, good morning and welcome to a brand new video on NeoTrader. So we are in the middle of an extremely difficult market and trading has become very challenging. But I'm really pleased to tell you that we have found the ultimate market trading companion in the form of NeoTrader. So now I mainly want to demonstrate two things. First is how you could make phenomenal, yes, I repeat, phenomenal profits from the markets today using the Readymade trades function of NeoTrader. And secondly, I want to showcase a new feature that we've been testing that helps you auto trade directly in your account out of NeoTrader using if you have a Zerodha account. Yes, we've done a broker integration. So this is the summary of how we've fared today. And mind you, it's like this almost every day on most days. We've had a 92% success rate. Yes, 92% here. As you can see, we've generated around 39 trades. 36 trades out of that were profitable. We had an average profit of 2 to 3% per trade. Yes, this is on cash basis. We have not assumed any leverage. This 3% is the actual movement that the stock has given, and only one stock has actually gone and hit stop loss. So this is just a fantastic statistic that we are very proud to showcase. So here, as you can see, is the intraday trades page. So we started the day 18th March. Today is 18th March. We started the day at say 9:47 a.m. After the close of the first 30 minutes, the first trade appears, which was HDFC Life. It comes it comes time stamped, as you can see over here in the blue line that I have made. It says 18th March and 9:47 a.m. is when the first trade appeared. This is our entry, your first target, second target, and stop loss. Uh, this bar out here, shows the status, and you can see that T3 met, means this third target was met. So we entered at 441 and exited at 430, which is like almost a 3% profit. And we did something similarly at NIIT Tech, another 3% profit here, another 3% profit in Tata Chemicals, Jubilant, Jubilant Food, Apollo Hospital, Tata Consumer, and the rest. So the trades kept carrying on during the day. So let me take you to the first page. This is how the day ended, where as you can see, this is the first page. Only one stop loss, that was Yes Bank, and I'm sure most of us didn't really trade Yes Bank today because it was in the ban by most brokers. It's the second page. As you can see, all stocks have hit targets, where only two have lapsed near our cost. These are not stop losses. These are stocks that we entered and it lapsed near our cost. Then in the third place, we find that all the stocks again have met our targets and have made profits and have made money. Then we're back to where we began. What I want to really highlight is the number of consecutive profitable trades that we've delivered. Like literally, as you can see here, this is about 9 trades here. One after the other have given a 3% return back to back. We go to the earlier page, we find another 10 stocks here that gave back to back profits. So that takes us to 19 consecutive profit making trades. We come here 2021, this lapse near cost, and 31, almost 31 and 32, till we finally saw one stock that hit stop loss. Assuming that Yes Bank was banned by your broker, you would have hit all 38 of them that came were all consecutive profit making trades. So the amount of money that you could make was just tremendous. in a day like this, an algo based approach is what really takes you to the next level. So there is an absolutely new feature that we have added for you guys. If you can see, if you can just go on top of the page, you will find this feature called as trade. This is a new button that we've added. Mind you, it is still on the testing phase, so you may not, all our existing viewers may not yet see it. It's not yet rolled out, we're still testing it. But this trade page automatically lets you trade right from this NeoTrader intraday page, and it sends the order to your account, to your Demat account, and populates the stop loss, target, and entry as well. So it can really help and improve your execution efficiency. That is the whole idea of doing this. So to give you a demonstration of how this works is, you just suppose go here, click on the active, like Hindalco for example. I chose Hindalco, I hit trade, and it opened up an order. This is an MIS order, which is a limit order in intraday order, and all I need to do here is hit place and say finish, and it goes to my dashboard. As you can see, it is gone, and it is gone, and it's gone and already created this trade. So here, so I'm going to exit this because this was only for only to show you guys. So another thing that you can do is you can select all this in a batch, and you can trade, you can hit on trade and choose all these things here and hit place, and it populates all of these orders together along with stop loss and target. So your execution that you wanted to do has become really fast now. So the best part was so right in the morning, you could have gone and you could have taken all these trades, and say you could have just gone here, you could have selected all the trades of today, you could have hit it at once, you could have hit trade at once, and you could have booked profits in all these places. So like for example, what I did was I had some things to do in the morning, so I sort of entered the market late. I came in at say around 10 a.m. around, you can see here. So this was the first batch of trades that I just selected and hit. As you can see here, this is my page, and as and when I saw that I got profit close to say 3,000 rupees, I chose to do a batch exit. Like, you know, you can select, you can do one, you can select here and exit all. So I did a batch exit, and I made some money. So you guys can think of what your batch level is and how much money you want to make in a day. And in a day like this, you sort of select all trades and hit the execution button, take all trades. Once you reach your desired level of profit, exit all at once. That is one thing you can do. Or else we have given you targets and stop loss levels here. We also have a feature of hitting something known as bracket orders, where the stop loss and target is populated. You can do that as well. But the whole idea is to use our algos to remain in the market, because the amount of profits that is being generated here is phenomenal, and we must take advantage of this, and we must subscribe. Thank you very much.